Hey there, fellow travelers. This is George, the new unknown traveler, and I'm thrilled to be your guide to the exciting world of RV travel, specifically designed for us adventurers who are young at heart and ready to explore this beautiful country in style and comfort. Over the next few chapters, we're going to break down everything you need to know to make your RV dreams a reality. We're talking about choosing the right RV for your needs, understanding the ins and outs of fuel efficiency and costs, and discovering those hidden gem campgrounds that'll make you feel like you found your own little slice of paradise. So buckle up, grab your maps, and let's hit the open road together. Now before we hit the gas, let's talk about the heart of your adventure, your RV. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, choosing the right RV can make or break your journey. Choosing the right RV is like picking the perfect travel partner. It's a decision that requires careful thought and consideration. It's all about finding the right fit for your needs and travel style. Do you prefer luxury or simplicity? Are you traveling solo or with family? First up, we've got our Class A motorhomes. These are the big guys, often resembling buses. These are the kings of the road, your luxurious homes on wheels. They offer unparalleled comfort and amenities. Imagine spacious living areas, full-size kitchens, and even washer-dryer combos. It's like taking your home with you wherever you go. They're perfect for those longer hauls and for folks who appreciate a little extra elbow room, ideal for extended trips or full-time RV living. Of course, that luxury comes at a price, with Class A's ranging from $100,000 to well over $1 million. But for many, the investment is worth the comfort and convenience. Next, we have the versatile Class C motorhomes. These are a great middle ground option. These are built on a cutaway chassis, giving them that distinctive overcab sleeping area, perfect for families or groups. They offer a great balance of comfort and affordability, typically ranging from $50,000 to $150,000. You get a lot of bang for your buck. For the minimalist traveler, there's the nimble Class B motorhome, also known as camper vans. These are the smallest of the motorhome classes. These compact and fuel-efficient vehicles are perfect for navigating tight spots and exploring cities. They're easy to drive and park. You can find them starting around $60,000 and going up to $200,000 for those with all the bells and whistles. Ideal for weekend warriors and solo adventurers. And let's not forget our towable RVs. These offer a different kind of flexibility. From lightweight travel trailers to spacious fifth wheels, these offer endless possibilities for customization and affordability. You can detach and explore with your vehicle. You'll need a trusty vehicle to tow them, but with prices starting as low as $10,000, they're a great option for budget-conscious travelers. Perfect for those who already own a capable vehicle. Remember, choosing the right RV is a personal decision. It's about what suits your lifestyle and travel goals. Consider your budget, how many people you'll be traveling with, and your comfort needs. Happy travels. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, fuel costs. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, fuel costs are a significant part of your travel budget. I know, it's not the most glamorous part of RV travel, but trust me, understanding fuel efficiency can save you money and headaches down the road. Plus, it allows you to plan your trips more effectively. When it comes to RVs, you've got two main fuel options, gas and diesel. Each has its own set of pros and cons. Gas engines are generally less expensive up front and easier to maintain, but diesel engines offer better fuel efficiency, especially for larger RVs. Diesel engines also tend to have a longer lifespan. Now, I know what you're thinking. George, how much can I expect to spend on fuel? Well, let's break it down. It depends on several factors, including the size of your RV, the type of engine, and of course, those ever-fluctuating gas prices. Your driving habits and the terrain you travel on also play a role. As a general rule of thumb, Class A motorhomes average around 8 to 10 miles per gallon, which can add up quickly on long trips. Class Cs get around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, offering a bit more efficiency without sacrificing too much space. And Class Bs can get up to 25 miles per gallon, making them the most fuel-efficient option among motorhomes. Towable RVs vary depending on the weight and aerodynamics, but you can expect anywhere from 6 to 12 miles per gallon. The towing vehicle's fuel efficiency also impacts your overall costs. My advice? Plan your routes carefully. Use apps to find the cheapest gas stations. And consider joining a fuel rewards program to save some money at the pump. Every little bit helps. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. The experiences you gather along the way are priceless. So slow down, enjoy the ride, and maybe even take a detour or two along the way. After all, the best memories are often made off the beaten path. One of the best parts about RV travel is waking up to a new and beautiful view every morning. And trust me, America is chock full of breathtaking RV parks and campgrounds just waiting to be discovered. From the rugged coastlines of the Pacific Northwest to the majestic peaks of the Rocky Mountains, there's a perfect campsite out there for every type of traveler. Now, when choosing an RV park, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, consider the amenities you're looking for. Do you need full hookups with water, sewer, and electricity? Or are you comfortable with more rustic camping? Next, think about the activities you enjoy. Some parks offer swimming pools, hiking trails, and organized social events, while others provide a more peaceful and secluded experience. And of course, don't forget to factor in your budget. Prices can range from free campsites on public lands to over $100 per night for luxury resorts. My advice? Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to try something new. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. Alright, now that we've covered the basics of choosing an RV and finding a place to park it, let's talk about those essential items that will make your RV life a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time RVer, having the right gear can make all the difference. First things first, you'll need a good set of leveling blocks. These are crucial for ensuring your RV is stable and level, especially on uneven campground surfaces. Without them, you might find yourself in a wobbly situation. Next up, consider investing in a solar panel or two. This will give you the freedom to camp off-grid without relying on campground electricity. It's a great way to stay powered up while enjoying nature. And speaking of electricity, don't forget a surge protector to protect your RV's electrical system from power surges. This small device can save you from costly repairs. Now let's talk about water. You'll need a freshwater hose for filling up your tank and a sewer hose for, well, you know. Proper waste management is essential for a pleasant RV experience. Trust me, a good sewer hose is worth its weight in gold. It makes the less glamorous part of RVing much easier. And of course, no RV trip is complete without a comfortable camping chair, a sturdy table, and a reliable grill for those campfire cookouts. These items will make your outdoor living space cozy and functional. Remember, these are just a few of the many essentials that will make your RV life more comfortable and convenient. Happy travels, and enjoy your adventures on the road. Chapter 5. Beyond the Border Tips for RVing in Canada and Mexico. For those feeling adventurous, why not take your RV across the border and explore the wonders of Canada and Mexico? RVing in Canada offers stunning scenery, friendly locals, and a unique cultural experience. Just remember to bring your passport, driver's license, and vehicle registration. You'll also need Canadian insurance, which you can usually obtain through your current provider. Mexico is another fantastic option for RV travel, with its warm climate, delicious cuisine, and rich history. Again, you'll need your passport, driver's license, and vehicle registration, along with Mexican auto insurance, which is mandatory. When crossing the border, be prepared for customs and immigration checks. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the local traffic laws and customs of each country. And remember, just like traveling anywhere else, be respectful of the local culture, follow the rules, and enjoy the adventure. Chapter 6. Embrace the wild side, boondocking, and budget tips. Now, for those of you who truly want to escape the crowds and experience the great outdoors on a budget, let's talk about boondocking. Boondocking, also known as dry camping, is all about camping off-grid without hookups. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in nature. Now, boondocking requires a bit more planning and preparation. You'll need to be self-sufficient with water, electricity, and waste disposal. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by nothing but wilderness. And the best part, Boondocking is often free or very inexpensive, allowing you to stretch your travel budget even further. To find boondocking locations, you can use apps like Campendium and FreeRoam, or consult with the Bureau of Land Management and National Forest Service. Chapter 7. Keep on rolling, your RV adventure awaits. Well folks, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from choosing the right RV to finding the perfect campsite and everything in between. Remember, RV travel is all about freedom, flexibility, and adventure. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? It's time to hit the open road and start exploring this beautiful country we call home. And hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. See you down the road. I hope this journey into the world of RVing has been helpful for you. Remember, the open road is calling, and there's a whole lot of America out there just waiting to be explored. Whether you're drawn to the majestic mountains, the rugged coastlines, or the wide open spaces in between, RV travel offers a unique and unforgettable way to experience it all. So pack your bags, turn on your GPS device, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Tell us in the comments where in the world you would like to visit next. This is George, the new unknown traveler, signing off until next time. See you out there.